The second technology that this fixture uses is something called titanium dioxide. Now, there's a lot of science behind this and it's a really neat technology, but effectively the way it works is the ultraviolet light inside this fixture energizes the titanium dioxide, and in that process, any volatile organic compounds, odors, and even bacteria and pathogens that come in contact with that energized filter actually are deactivated in that process. Now, one of the neat things about a titanium dioxide filter is there's no need to replace it because it's actually a chemical coating, and the way it works is the ultraviolet light energizes the chemical components in the filter. So this isn't like a HEPA filter or a carbon filter where you may need to replace it over a certain period of time. This filter will stay good for the life of the unit. The lamps inside this light progress unit operate for about 18,000 hours before they need to be replaced. So this also gives a significant amount of run time or air disinfection time before those light bulbs actually need to be pulled out and then replaced with fresh units.